a realm where light dies and life takes on forms that shouldn't be possible. As we descend deeper, crossing the sunlight zone, then the twilight zone, then the midnight zone, the creatures we encounter turn progressively stranger. We've sent rovers to Mars, we've mapped distant galaxies, but the deep sea, we've explored less than 5% of it. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about what's happening 6,000 feet below our own oceans. At the surface, the ocean is bright and full of life. Sunlight fuels plankton blooms, which feed fish, which feed entire food chains stretching from coral reefs to whales. But drop below 200 meters, and that light begins to fade. We are now entering the twilight zone, a vast belt of ocean stretching down to a kilometer deep. Here, the sun's rays are too weak for photosynthesis. The forests of plankton vanish. There are no plants, no green energy, only the slow snowfall of particles drifting from above, tiny fragments of plankton, waste, and the remains of the dead. Scientists call it marine snow. To us, it looks insignificant. To the creatures here, it is life itself. And where there is food, there is life, but not life as we know it.
The animals of the Twilight Zone have evolved into some of the strangest forms on Earth. Many are transparent, their bodies like glass. The glass squid drifts with organs barely visible, a ghost against the blue. The glass octopus is almost invisible, its eyes the only solid feature. Why so many species take on transparency here is still a mystery. In the gloom, some creatures create their own glow through a chemical reaction known as bioluminescence. To us, it's dazzling, flashing dots, glowing patterns, entire bodies flickering like lanterns. But here, light is survival. Some use it to lure prey, some to find a mate, and some to disappear. This trick is called counter-illumination. Animals like the firefly squid cover their bellies with light-producing organs. They adjust the brightness to perfectly match the glow from the surface. Each night, as darkness falls above, billions of creatures rise from the depths. This vast daily movement is called the diel vertical migration. It is the largest synchronized migration on Earth. Past 1 kilometer, all sunlight disappears. We have reached the midnight zone.